Sorry, we have a bright sun this afternoon, this December 16th day, that bright sun. It is super warm here at Trailer Country. I've stripped down to short sleeves. It's exciting, but I'm sorry that sun's gonna be in our way a little bit. So today I'm gonna show you a 2006 Gore 3-horse slant load gooseneck. This is a really nice trailer. It's in excellent structural condition. I'll show you some issues with the paint, just age, just weather. But anyway, it's a 2006 Gore 3-horse slant load gooseneck. It did get new tires last year, so all the tires on the ground are 2020s. I did forget to look at the spare, but I'll peek at that for you. It's got a nice dressing room. It's a 4-foot short wall here in the dressing room. 3 saddle racks on that post. That post does come out, but there is no rear tack in this trailer. So you can take it out, but there's no place in the back to put it because there's no rear tack. We'll see that in a minute. You got a brush box here on the wall, bridle hooks, clothing bar, and a blanket bar. Brush box. Let's see if we vacuumed in there. Oh, yep, looks good, nice and clean. Little brush box with a lid, a boot box. Carpeted nose. That is a tire. I'm not sure if that tire is good or bad. I'm not gonna promise you anything on it. It's not a wheel, it's just a tire. May have just got left up there, so no promises on that, but it could be that it's a good working tire. Again, no promises. All right, so we've got a 4-foot short wall dressing room here in this Gore with a camper door with a screen. This trailer did get washed yesterday, and this is stained. These streaks here will not come off. The paint is not completely dead. It's not paint that I wipe and get white on my hand, but it is dead enough that those kinds of streaks are just not coming off of there. So just FYI there. The striping is aged and coming off, but that is really the worst thing about this trailer is the stripes and a little bit of streaking. This trailer is unique because it has a ramp on the first horse. So that's nice. If you've got somebody that doesn't want to back out or can't turn around in there, you can lead them right out of this side ramp here on the front. It's got a top door. Horses number 2 and 3 have drop head windows. This horse at number 1 does not, because he's got that sliding window there in the top door. Again, we've got new tires on the ground. I really didn't see anything to speak of as far as fender or running board damage. We've got nice diamond plated running boards, diamond plated covered fenders. The trailer is 7'7" inside. If I really wanted to get technical, I could call it 7'7.5". It's 7'7.5" tall inside. And it's 6'6" wide. The trailer has a floor length of 18 feet. So it's gonna be a floor length of 18 feet plus the nose there. Gore is a steel chassis with aluminum frame and aluminum skin. And they have a fiberglass roof, which is gonna keep it much, much cooler than any aluminum roof. Got 2 dividers in here. It is a 3-horse slant load. 3 pop-up roof vents. As you can see, this last stall is humongous, and that's because it does not have a folding rear tack. It's not set up for that. It's never had that folding rear tack. Also does not have a center post here for those 50/50 doors. It is just a wide open back area. So if you've got a really big horse, he can go in the very back. Again, the trailer's 7'7.5" tall and 6'6" wide. We've got 14 feet on the long wall here. I did not measure the short wall of the horse area. 50/50 rear doors with sliding windows, and then a ramp over those 50/50 doors. Curbside, again, no damage to speak of on those running boards or fenders, in really nice shape there. Paint, not terrible. Not brand new, but again, not terrible. You'll see some marks in the stripes. Just some age really is happening here to that striping. I'm gonna rub this. Again, no white paint coming off, so that paint's not completely dead, but it does stain a little bit if you get some streaks or something on there. Really nice 2006 Gore. Has a GVWR of 12,000 pounds. It has 2 6,000-pound axles. We've got a nice Gore made water tank here that does hold water. This here piece of hose is probably a little dry rotted, but the water tank is nice. That's Gore made. Spare tires covered. Probably not going to take that cover off. because it would take me all week to get it back on. But being covered makes me think it's in pretty good shape. We got a manual jack. Again, the tires on the trailer were put on new last year. They are 2020 models. The trailer is located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and the photos on our website at trailercountryllc.com.